In the previous lecture, we have seen that how we can create a different data structure, list, dictionaries, and all. Also, we have seen that how to use the loop or while loop for specific conditions if we have to apply in any program. So today, let us see that how we can use that branching control loop, that is if and while loop, in the data structure. So let me quickly go to the program. So as you can see, I have just written a heading here in branching and control loops. So first what we are going to do. So we are going to use if else condition with data structure. So we can use that with any kind of data structure. Let me make it down here so that it will be a heading. Okay. So first we are going to use a if else condition. So let us first think the program. So let's say we have a list of numbers and we want to find a number in the particular list. So for that, let me create a list part. Let me create a list is numbers. Okay, I'm just creating a list, so that's it. And list is created with a square bracket. So let me write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, let's say. So there are 5 numbers in a list, and what we are going to do here is we are going to find that a particular number is there in the list or not. So in the list we are going to use the if loop here. Fine. So how to do that? So just write if, let's say I want to find the number 3. If 3 in numbers. Fine. Simple. If 3 in numbers, if the condition is true. So that means I'm going to find a number, that is 3. Is it available in the numbers variable or numbers list or not? So then if it is available, we'll just print 3 is available in the list. Okay. And what else if it is not available? So for that also we want to print one statement. So here we'll write print, just print the message 3 is not available in the numbers or the list. Okay. So fine, let us run this program. So see, if I run the program, the output, what it is coming here, let me zoom it little bit. So the output is coming here as 3 is available in the list because 3 is there. Fine. So now let me change this number to something else. Let me write, let's say 10. So if I run this program, so it's writing 3 is here also I can write 10. So 10 is not available in the numbers list is printing. So why? Because in the list 10 is not there. So if in the list I add the number 10, then what will happen? So see, now it is printing 10 is available in the list. So basically this if loop can directly search inside a list of numbers, or we can say any data structure we can take. Fine. For example, I don't want to give this number here. I want to make it user input. So user will input a number and it will check that whether the input number is there in the list or not. So how to do that? So for that, what we can do here, we will take a input here. So let me write user input. Okay, that is equal taking a input here, which is, I know it's obviously integer, so I'll write integer, and inside the argument I'll take the input here, so I'll write input, and then in bracket I'll write enter the number. That's it. I'll just write a message here. Fine. And then whatever the integer comes through this input statement. So for that, what you can do here, instead of writing temp, I'll write here user input. Fine. Now what it is going to do, it will check whatever the input I have given through the user has given, is that number available in the numbers list or not. So it will check that. Fine. So for that, I'll just change little bit the program print statement here so that it will be easy to print. So let me write. So write like this. Write f, then you write the inverted in the columns. Then you write that in the curly bracket. If I write user underscore input is not available in the numbers list. Okay. So let me just copy this. If it is available, sorry, first statement is available, second statement will be not available. So here I'll copy paste it. So now user input is not available in the list, it will print. So let us try to run this program. It's asking what I give a input here. Let me give here 1. So it is printing 1 is available in the list. Fine. Let me run this again. So this time let me enter 20. So it's printing that 20 is not available in the number list. Fine. What happening here? If I use this command f, then inside the statement itself I can write the variable what I want to print. So it's easy. Other way is also there, but this is little bit easier. So this is how you can use a if else condition inside a list. So in the next video we'll see how some other examples you can check for like say or dictionary is there, how you can use if else condition or while loop there. Fine. So we'll meet in the next video.